Everybody, Dave Hooke here with the Brand Ambassador Program, and of course the Dave Hooke Team at Keller Williams Real Estate. And we're here with Matt Cloward of Cloward Building Concepts, who's with the Brand Ambassador Program. And we do this because business is hard, and it's easier when we're with other business owners just on the business journey locally here in our community together. So let's take a pause, go in here and talk to Matt Cloward and learn a little bit more about his business journey. Come on in. Hey, Matt.
Hey, Dave.
Thanks for having me.
Thank you.
Yeah, just appreciate it. I was looking forward to this conversation because we have been working together off and on for a long time. I feel like since your business journey started.
Yeah.
And I'm excited just to share an update, our annual update with anybody listening. So one of the things I want to start with today is like nobody talks about the fact that business is hard and nobody shares that. It's like we want to hide that part of ourselves. What's the difficult thing in your business? You know, Cloward Building Concepts. What's the challenge for you?
Right now we have two challenges, Dave. It's a lot of people are not sure what things cost, especially in the past 5 years. It's just changed so much. So we struggle with coming up with budgets up front and trying to explain square foot pricing to people so they get a general idea and decide if that might be something to journey down or maybe not.
Yeah.
And the second thing now is the political environment with tariffs. We don't know what that's going to do. Sometimes they're on, sometimes they're off. So we just try and do proper planning, communicate with our vendors, see what's coming down the pipeline, and try and get materials ordered as soon as we can.
Wow, that's a great explanation. That's the first I've heard, like, you know, real practical example of like the volatility in the economy and how you're handling that. So thanks for sharing that.
Yeah.
Just a reminder, now that we've been through challenges, what exactly do you guys do? What services do you provide?
So we are a design build firm. We primarily work with residential construction where we do basements, bathrooms, kitchens, whole house, and additions.
Mm-hmm. Awesome. And as you think about your business journey, you know, last decade plus, and then into the future, what are you guys most proud of?
Oh, that's a fun one, Dave. So several years ago, I'm most proud of my sister. Several years ago, she came into a position where she needed a career change. And she had worked for me part-time as a painter.
Yeah.
And I said, well, how would you like to come on as a project coordinator? So she did that about 3 years ago. And then she grew into project manager. And then she grew into starting design, meeting with clients, doing her own appointments. And now we are a full design build firm because of her. And it's so fun to see. It's new life for her. It's new life for me. It's new life for the team. And just the other day, you could see like clients looking for her, like, hey, what do you think about this? What do you think about that? Like I wasn't even there.
That's awesome.
I'm just super proud of her and her journey. And it's, like I said, it's given new life to us and me and construction as a whole. It's just been really fun.
That's great. I love that. And I can see, you just light up when you were talking about it. So if there's somebody out there today, you know, I know you've done work for me in my own personal home. Maybe there's somebody out there who says, I'm looking for a bonus room. I'm looking for a kitchen remodel. I'm looking for a basement, refresh or anything like that. What's the best way that they can get a hold of you to just have a consultation?
You can find us at clowardbuilding.com. There's several action buttons there. You can send us an email, send us a brief description, or just say, hey, Matt, give me a call, and I'll probably call you within 24 hours. The weekend, it might be an extra day or two.
Clowardbuilding.com. There you have it, everybody. Matt Cloward, Cloward Building Concepts. Go to clowardbuilding.com and just hit one of the buttons there, and he and his team will be in touch and take as good a care of you as they have of me. Thanks so much for watching, and thanks for having me to learn a little bit about your journey. Appreciate it.
Thanks, Dave.
Yep, we'll talk to you soon.